President yagamba ecenguzi mu government niwe chanshemeza nkomuzi nukura ngo president aturana agamba ngo hari yenguzi konkata katunjiro bujurizi konkerizo ecyanshemeza n'ugira ngo president yikiriza ngo hari yenguzi namanya bakuryenguzi kandi ayino bujurizi no buhamya abwi kandi niwe inamani go kutama abantu mu office ninga kabiha mubama so koko yakigamba niyo nahurira nashemerwa kugira ngo nawo president yikiriza ko ari menshi hari menguzi konkati kurugahati zishama mwebazo turinzire ecarakora akoze samanige bara abemereze mu abo mu finance abo mu parliament bamwe abayineho bugabe hamwe n'abo mu agencies so ikintu twarinditwe kuyerizo nicyo tutegereza tinekene
kandi we urwo mwishengero wa Isingiro West wikitnisa honarebo Arinitwera Ubeni wabingi barukumanyanka Hams nawe yargayo no kugamba ahanshongeji arikujango burwenguzi burya kushisha buri kintu cyona cyo mwihangari ya Uganda mwenu nicenda babucenere kimwe umihangari ya Uganda babutuntumure bukwate akakiro
twatuyaho yatugambira ibintu bishatu patire corruption yagira ngo aje gutunga information rero kumara ngo parliament Bank of Uganda Minister of Finance harimo corruption then yagira corruption yagita murengesha bagamba cyo kwita dishonest narukore kintu ukikuduma ngo ukikimani kigendereye agaraka gamba ngomwe imwe nasakora by mistake agaraka kindagamba ngo baba mwe ba traitors so nawe president narengari nitu akugarasa uburwenguzi kandi yatamisiza unaza kurwanisa kandi twa MP tuzakumkwasa ubyo parliament kure twabugwanisa kandi twabumara nari twabucendeze twatamazire
we omnyishengero wa Kashari amatemba wishtinisa baziri batalinga ya Rwenkwene nawe yargayo no kugamba kikwatiye no buribwe nguzi yo mwihangari ya Uganda ari kugira ngo Museveni ayine kugire kiyakoraho abantu aba barukurya enguzo mwihangari ya Uganda bakabatera hamutwe bakabihomba bitongole ngo kuba baremise ntunguka
president nawe yagamba aha nguzi kandi yagamba nguzi iyo iri mu office iri hagati ya Minister of Finance na Parliament na no Parliament yenu okusayinga papure twasayinga kuma isango buryo mu Parliament ari corrupt akonka abantu bakora ibyo birukwenda amateka bashimirire kubonereza wenda nitwe hati turinzire president naza korata kureba ngo abantu abakoba twego mu kategori y'inguzi babonereza
ahabwa Gntv Agarikwotsya tweheyo Ronald aha parliament
Tagumzamu omakuru gandi owayesimbire aba MP bwambara site y'amashima ubwo nonebo imembale baki yargayo yabasa kuba nabura bebebezi bahansi abo muyagiri ya Uganda okurebuza batahi babo omukuru wanisa obushumanguzi kandi nawe yagamba arukongera kutera mochi omubebezi wihanga agambira izobe rya nyuma bazyo ahanshonga y'obushumanguzi ekwasire yo muyagiri ya Uganda yazira ngo bo abantu basharamba karebuza batahi babo kukira munonga bebembezi obushumanguzi ndwija kurinjirwa kimwe omuyihanga ryiti katubirebe Wanyuma ya mukuru wihanga kurugayo akacimutorwara ahaburibwe nguzi izo waranyimwazyo wabenaganiraho nihanga ryona abembezi batari bamwe na bamwe kurugahande ngo stari zimwe na zimwe okwetora ihanga ryona barigireyo nano kugira kibagamba ahaburibwe nguzi nabo wenwe wekitsinisa mbale baki ime oguno wayesimbireho mukaruru korembo orwambara na mnonga mbara y'amashuma yargayo nawe yagira ngo buribwe nguzi burya kushisha ihanga ryitu ngwa kubaho bwa hati buri kimwe cyona kirukusiba enkora ya government okujanguwe kore abantu bayo okubagaruza ab'imisoro yabo ibakubihamu nibigenda buhera umburibwe nguzi abantu bona abanyarwanda bagwerwa kagwe
ibizubyo ne bitkora bamwe erizoba ne bizarare bunye cyakare no bwiro bukwiza twatarwa ne senguzi one nguzi niyo kubituretera enguzi nerye nguto umuntu aragenda ko sente aho kwa nkihanga ntuferwa ubutabarwa bakwita trillion zikumi buri mwaka hateze trillion zikumi buri mwaka semekwa niyo budget y'amahanga makeka za Rwanda ko kwita nziribwa abantu nyabuntu
mbareba ciyargayo no kwabura abanyayuganda mbabasa kurwanisa enguzi okutandikirana hansi wareba umuntu yagire cya leta cye sente nyingi munonga utashicenga obuze hakihire
so itwe nk'abantu njowe niwe iwaho kutura hona tusebe kurwanisa enguzeje kora rebe mbareba kiyiza kwanyu omwizo barumwe yagure enyonyi ugendo mbuze sebo enyonyi uguzirenkaye ugendo ugambere ayigijo muje tukambere batikaguze enyonyi tumumbuze senta hazihire
mwenu byaba nagamba hono mnyamakuru witu akasheshe kambwenu waitini sambale baki yargayo no kusima mukuru yanga rya Uganda mubwa hato byatanga kureba ebituri ebiryo mu government ye na munonga omburi bwenguzi yihanga ryazafuterera mbareba ki ime yargayo no futera abahereza ba government omuranga arikujangu obushomankuzi birekali nambwenu abamwe babatabitire mu mani mingi munonga babasa kwiza no kubakoma
nomule cyambara sauce obuhereza nabwe ni nkihanga ryona emhanda kubakuza kugikora bagikoraga dibengari neba haragata ato mucucu wazo witoko omhanda yo witu omucucu norembo no kuvuga abakuvuga gana nanguna piki hati zirimo korabo mu micucu tari obuhereza burungi amashomero tigarumu bitabo tigarumu abashomesa no bake amarwaro tari yo mbazi so burahamwe hona ebintu fire kandi byone bireta ahabo rubwenguzi oburubura hamwe oburubura cyanga bubona kugira ngo burubwenguzi tubukumanya ekika cy'omuntu tubukumanya dini tubukumanya Ruganda tubukumanya muringwa tubukumanya mugufu oburubwenguzi twena n'ubutwa affecting so echo nokore ngo twakikora kure ngo cyabaje omuntu yiza yaza gukora umuhanda nkogwe naza guharagata mu mujengo waza guharagata iyo raharagata umuhanda takutamuka amara
mbare baciya kumeza muyagamba na hamutindo gw'ebintu arukusaba abanyayuganda kugira ngo bongere umutindo gw'ebintu byabo okugira ngo bakafuna obutare omahanga gaheru
cyo kongera umutindo gw'ibintu nyenda kusaba ngo abantu abo gukora ibintu by'ubuhingi ibintu by'uburisa ibintu byaki tugera aha mutindo gw'ibintu byitu ahabo kuba ncogere n'urura bakatare isho Kenya kayagure bicori twasindika ibizunzire twasindika ibunjurwe twasindika ibitomere hati Kenya yajangwe mwaza kujaki mwaza kutwita babyanga mwencenda abebembezi muteho enkiko zo kweta baraza buri cyaro kureba ngo abebembezi mwagambira abantu ukubayongera ahambutiro gw'ibintu tukabona katari abantu bitu barugumbuhuru aho umuntu witu twamutamisa uburisa n'ubuhingi abantu bana ryo nibiriciro mu tawuni abo kubo burisa n'ubuhingi tugwakinde mu cyuburumu buri umwe nirukangana zo mu tawuni ajyango ni hariya kasente ko kakando ubugiga babusige nyumba bagenda abo kugira ngo ibintu byabo tibyo mutino kandi bugureta akatareka
bareba kiti yakomaho yagumiza muno kutera abantu bambara umuranga kugira ngo bwahati enzura ebuzire mbenu babyare kare ebihingwa byabo enzura yaza kwiza eshanje betegwire
sausi ni batincho ubutumwa obu kugira ngo mazamba sima bagarira abana babo mashomero kandi basincho ubutumwa ngo mushekere kare abo kuba atenzura naye ibirebe sikumahe kwiza Esha yone neragara nibasagwa nko kwa musanzu igo byumusana mweni mu mureke mu mashekera kare biba kandi mwagumeza mu mukora gentoke zanyu abugidon ho twiyaka senti to nkabambara sausa bingi so ni mbatenge jango mutuje ko kenzura keragwe nyenango buryo umwe hakiri osimbe mitinke ebiri ahubwo ubutonde bwenso obo tujyon tureba n'ubutureba ndisa kugira hirungu kandi nyesa tubentuyebuza ecyabiroho neki kumenye twayorogire
ahabwa Gntv Agarikwotsya Kirintoni na hawe mjomba na Desire Asimwe umurembo orwambarara
Twagumizamo anshonga zo kwihaba kamishana omuntebe zabo no kubiyamo bwese cyo mushengerite ya Uganda Honorable Theodore Sechku okurire entekatekeji yargayo yahamya ngo isobe rya ncyakare eje kwani bashohoza orukarira rw'abanyishengero abatire mukono yabo aha kipapura okuhamya ngo ubuzima nabo nibicereza omukubinga ba commissioner aba kandi yazira ngo bahati umurimo gwo buriyo n'ugenda kurunje mishonga n'abanyishengero bingi bariyo nibija handitse kipapuro icyo katubiri
abanyishengero bwahati bakiriho bagenda mu misho no kucise vitamino kandi nangwa no kweyongera kuterera mu ngaro abo bona abanyishengero aba basize kusayininga kandi bakushabangwa aba batakasayiningere nangwa no kuteka umukono aha polisi kwereka ngo ba commissioner bishengero binokorgayo bakabingwa hona kubateka umukono aha cyandiko icyo kandi bakarashikiriza okugira ngo ikintu cyo nacyo kibase kukora kandi kityo cyenderekerwa mu misho gabo ebyona hona nebigambo bya uri munyishengero kikirira abantu barumiyago kitinisa honorable Theodore Sechkubo n'abanyishengero abandi batari bamwe nabamwe abarigiriyo hona bakaganira no munyamakuru w'ibanyuma ya mukuru w'ihanga ya Uganda witinisa yo kabita Museveni ko rwaya kagira ngo naje ko Rwanda kandi akwatanise nabo bona abariko Rwanda obushomankuzi kandi abahona nabone bagira ngo abanyishengero abandi barge babakwase kandi hona batyo bateka umukono hakipapura babinge ba commissioner abarigiriyo bakejumbera umukuru y'inguzi hona abanyishengero aba bargayo no kuganiraho n'umunyamakuru witu kandi ho nebi nibiye bargayo no kutugambira
ni kino cyayongeddeko ntino tuwereze amnesty oba abantu basonyibwe naye okusonyibwa ba amnesty ejja luvannyuma lwa muntu kumusalira musango ne gumusinga duli okoleta amnesty zijja mu lubereberye amnesty ejjanga omuntu amaze okuyita mu process yonna ne gumusinga n'agamba ati weewaawo kikiro kye tuliko era kinsanyusiza amnesty president tujja gimulekera biba namugamba nga betonda ebyo byabwe nefe katukazekaze katunyweze katusibe n'obadde bubulamu katubugatteko tufumye ekintu mulundi gumu kakati ye jana wamatuka ne amnesty ye eyajja kubasanga jana abasanze nenga fwano enyumba yaffe nga parliament ng'obusonda ne mu wansi ne mu ntebe eyo ne mu makabada nga twezeeyezeeyo anatuyambira kawo gatufu
so ebisaba ababaka mulema kuwuliriza nyampala wa gavumenti onalero okuwa ebyo byabagamba nti yakoze consultation talina consultation gyakola nga tetukunganye ffe nga NRM parliamentary caucus wabeerawo bishutukungana so alema okubabuzaabuza n'abagana okusayininga abalonzi babalinze abalonzi mutuyambe buyambe omuntu yenna atasayininga motion ya sensha ey'abantu bano ababba ssente za parliament ngeri ekyongerera mubagobe mubagobe ku nyimbe mubagobe ku mikolo mubagobere ddala kubanga ne president abanyonyode eyo kati gundi eyo kilikati manyi eviira ddala eri neyingira parliament ne balyoka banyonyode sente z'omuwe w'omusolo nga baziyisa mu misuwa zaabwe nga bo n'olwekyo saagala muntu yenna agambe nti saawudde sategeke ffe nga ku saturday abakulembeddemu motion eno bagenda kutwala amawulire amanya mu mpapula z'amawulire ne ku mikutu emirala zonna okulaga ensi ani atayagala nguzi nani ayagala enguzi.
I want to thank the president for, of course, initially trying to say should we give them amnesty, and I'm glad that he threw the question to us as members of parliament, and when we said no, he said okay, you will see blood. So for us now we want to see blood, which means we want to see action against the corrupt people, whether they're in government institutions, whether they are politicians. We need to see action against corruption, because it is only then when we take action against these high profile people, including the commissioners that we want to censure, that the public will actually believe in us. Short of that, we are actually, just talking, and it will be the usual talk. So let us take action against the corrupt, and I'm glad the president even says he has evidence that there has been some deals amongst officials in government, especially the Ministry of Finance and Parliament. So for us, we are moving in that direction. The issue of a mistake, the issue of dishonesty, yes, mistakes are small things, but when they are big issues where people sit and give money to themselves, that cannot be a mistake. They even minute what they have decided how to share taxpayers' money. That cannot be a mistake. That is actually dishonesty, because they claim at the end of the day that Parliament passed it. Such a service award is a serious matter that cannot be hidden in the budget. It should have come by way of a motion on the floor of the House so that it is debated with clear justifications, and that did not happen. So conflict of interest cannot be a mistake.
The president pronouncing himself that he has evidence. We've been talking about corruption in parliament. Today he has come out openly He has evidence about corruption and the network between Ministry of Finance and the Parliament of Uganda. We thank him for that. But as members of Parliament, we're now demanding for him to act. He must take action. He has the evidence. When is he taking action? That is where our concern is. He now has to take action because the evidence is there. He's talking of amnesty. Why amnesty? He has evidence. Those who have stolen must be convicted and taken to Luzira. That is all. If not, he's going to encourage other civil servants to steal, knowing that there is also amnesty for them. Also, me now, I'm looking for where to go and steal from, because now when I steal, I will know there is amnesty for me. Isn't it? So he has to act. That is what I can say.
Zasimwe, our Gntv, Agarikwotsya.
Tikiri ensonga z'abakomishana n'obwarabe abanyishenjera bingi barugire babasa kubana bahandika kipapuro ekyo ky'okubyamu bwesije abamwe banjire kimwe eky'okubyamu bwesije kandi omuli abo abanyishenjero nka Honorable Asuman basalirwa azengwe kibatayibe bariyo nibakora nekibi munonga ng'oku batibinde bwa mushije bona obari kuteeka abakomishona bakatubire.
The 12th of April 2023, I sit on the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee that scrutinizes the budget of the Parliamentary Commission. That matter came in the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee. Unfortunately, out of 45 MPs, that day, only 15 attended the meeting. And I'm seeing those who didn't attend the meeting also going to sign. So I want you to ask them, where were they? And very soon I'm going to begin exposing them because they are hoodwinking the public. So the relevant committees of Parliament did consider. Even I saw my leader of opposition saying the matter has never been discussed anywhere. I was surprised. So the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee considered this matter, the budget and the policy statement. The matter went to Budget Committee and it went to the full House. Now MPs are shy. MPs fear to tell the public that we didn't read. That is the only problem. Now tell me, where is the bigger corruption? Is it us who failed to scrutinize the figures, or those who are beneficiaries of our laziness? Where is the bigger corruption? Where is the bigger corruption? Where is the bigger corruption? Us who failed to scrutinize, or those who benefited from our laziness? The majority. Okay? Now, if you fail to scrutinize and something passes you don't turn around here. And this is the point I've been making even when I met my colleague Sechikubo. This is the point I was laboring to explain. That you people, we are going to embarrass ourselves. Because the voters will ask us, where were you? Where were you? And what did you do about it? So, and if you don't ask those questions, especially you in the media, many of these scandalous payments will be made. Then you come to the tail end and begin asking, why did you benefit from this? Before we ask that, where were we? And I speak this with a lot of pain because I'm among the few MPs who is always in Parliament. And you know it, some of you know it. The Speaker finds me there, leaves when I'm there. I saw people who came to sign this document who have not been in Parliament for the last 4 months. You know, you don't attend Parliament, things are passing through the back door, and then you are coming to complain. Those should be the ones to be censored. In fact, those are the corrupt. Because if I pay you to do work and you don't do it, what is that called? So that's why me, I'm not signing that censor motion. Because we are who do we first of all, who leaked this thing to the public? Was it MPs? It was not MPs. So if they are really concerned, why did they tell the public at that time? Because it has come to the public, we are now guilty. We want to do some face saving. I am ready to tell the country that we are sorry. We didn't do our job. We slept on our job. We should only say sorry to the public, but not to deceive people that there is good corruption, and the public must demand that, even if it means cleaning all MPs. Me inclusive. Because you can also ask me, where was I? When the matter was passing, where was I? If you are to do, good, come with the clean hands. You are dirty, you also say the others are dirty. Let me tell you, you the public have the moral authority to question the service award. We MPs don't have.
Za asimwe ahabwa GNTV Agarikwotsya.
Wale mnonga desire simwa ichiza tumuro ntija kubantu garagana n'icyo kachitu cya kabiri cy'Agarikwotsya utakarga.